I hope you're having a great day. So today I am harvesting, but I also need to run to a florist. So I thought I could get all these buckets full, but I only got 4 buckets of flowers so far, and I'm gonna have to go inside and get ready to go. It's supposed to be 97 degrees, and we are in a heat advisory because it's gonna be like, it feels like 105 with the humidity and the heat index. So I don't know how much I'm gonna get done, but my field is exploding. I could pick buckets and buckets. I feel like I could probably fill half this truck with flowers right now. But by the time I get back, it's probably gonna start getting really hot. I think it's supposed to rain a little bit and cool the weather down. So hopefully this week is full of picking and pulling weeds, because sometimes when you don't do as much for a day or two, it gets away from you. But I'm gonna get back after it, and that's what's going on today so far. Look at that gorgeous Lisianthus. I love it. I'm picking more and more. I saw about 5 today. I picked a few this weekend, and it seems like I'm getting a lot of Lisianthus blooms. The frosted explosion grass has just gone crazy. Florists love that. I have a lot of Snapdragons today. It's an entire bucket full of Snapdragons. And then I did get about 40 Zinnias today, so those are popping too. Pretty exciting. Love seeing some color on the farm. I'm gonna have to get another florist signed up so that I can move them all. And then I think also, since it's so hot today, I don't know yet, but I might end up running to Des Moines and getting materials to make a small walk-in cooler. So if I do that, I'll let you know. But otherwise, I'm gonna run to the florist and then I'll be back. Okay, so it's really hot. My dad let me borrow his 8-foot truck to fit all of this insulation, because I guess I'm gonna try to build myself a little walk-in cooler. I probably won't get to a lot today. I had to drive up to Des Moines and load all this up and drive back, and now I'm gonna unload it, and that's probably gonna pretty much take me through my day. And then I think it gets a little bit nicer, but it rains a lot, I hope, this week. So I'm gonna get this unloaded, and I will keep you updated on the progress of the cooler. I'm not a construction person. I've watched some videos, and we do have this back porch area, this little part that sticks out right here. It's gonna be about, I think, 7 by 6 feet and then 7 feet tall, so that will hold a lot of flowers if I get some shelving in there. So I did clean it up today. I scraped off the old floor tiles. I took out all the nails off the walls. I took off all the shelving that was in there, and I still have a couple pipes that I need to take off of the wall. And then I do have to figure out what I'm going to do with the light, because I've seen most people run the wires through the insulation and then put the light back up. So I have to figure that out, and then there is an outlet in there that works, but I also need to figure that out. I might be able to leave it back and just stuff insulation over it or something after I get the air unit and the cool bot all plugged in. And I still need to get those things, but I figured these were good inside projects, and if I can get it all sealed and get that room going, I can get a cool bot and an air conditioner. So some of the supplies I got this 2.5-inch HVAC tape. I've got some great stuff foam. I got some liquid nails, and then I got these plastic cap nails, and then I got my insulation. I did forget, I was gonna take some plastic and wrap around. There's an old door and an old window in there, and I was just gonna put plastic on it because it's thin, and just, I hope it stops some airflow. Obviously the insulation and sealing it and doing all of that should do the rest, but I thought it wouldn't hurt. So I think I'll pick some of that up in town here. Busted into my tractor fund, but I've noticed my Yarrow, I just can't cut enough and store enough, and I think I could cut more and have more through the weeks to use in bouquets and deliver to people. And unfortunately, I'm just having to leave stuff out until it gets too done, or I have to deadhead it. So I'd really like to get this cooler going. Plus, in the spring, the peonies in 3 years, if I do have 120 plants and I have all the tulips, I will need a bigger space anyway. So that's the plan. It's super hot out, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this unloaded. And that's what I did today on the flower farm. I hope everybody is having a fantastic day.